Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so you can act decisively. First, open Dropbox and check the app version, update it if outdated. Next, make sure your operating system has recent patches, then test your internet connection and toggle Wi-Fi or Ethernet to rule out network flakiness. Also inspect free space both locally and in your Dropbox account. Once done, pause and note any error messages that appear so you can target the next actions. Once the basics are covered, dig into the causes. You should open Dropbox preferences and confirm selective sync, make required folders available locally. Then review the sync queue and resolve file conflicts by renaming or merging files. You must keep file names ASCII and under path length limits. Next, verify folder permissions and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall that may block Dropbox. If background upload is stalled, restart the Dropbox service. To finish, perform controlled resets to force synchronization. First, restart your device and relaunch Dropbox. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to clear corrupted state. Then selectively resync problem folders or move them out and back into the Dropbox folder to trigger upload. Check bandwidth limits and account quota to ensure uploads aren't throttled. If sync still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: create a small test file in Dropbox. If it syncs, escalate by isolating the largest file or folder causing the blockage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.